Hey guys, oil change of the week is brought to you by Cadillac. This is 2010 SRX. Let's check it out. They put this oil drain plug right here next to this exhaust. Real nice and handy. I already broke it free. So you got to put a wrench on it. Can't really get a socket on it. Let that oil drain. We come around to the front side of the engine, and right up in there, you see that silver guy? There's your oil filter. I put an oil drain pan down below it. Hopefully I'm lined up. Good catch. We're gonna put just a dab of oil on our finger and lubricate that, and take a rag and wipe off where the oil filter goes. Spin it on, make sure it's spinning on freely, not cross-threading. And then once it stops, give it a good quarter to half turn. Get it tight, don't over torque it. All right, let's get our oil drain plug back in there. These are aluminum threads on the pan, so don't torque the crap out of it. Here's our dipstick, here's our oil fill. Mobil 1 5W30. We're gonna go ahead and put 6 quarts in this. That's the total system, down the hatch. Reset oil life, go to the menu right here. Vehicle information, there it is. And then you hold this button, set clear, yes, hit it again. Boom, 100%.